All right. Hey, everybody in YouTube land. I am back. It is Monday, March 11th. And as you see, it's 10:55 p.m. Always doing the late night grind. So this video, I'm just going to talk about what I am doing inside of my air agency. So basically, I've had my license for about, I want to say 60 days now. Yeah, about 60 days now. And it's been a very interesting 60 days. So far, I've met some license holders, and they are expressing, their experiences, and I'm learning how uh, to perfect our AI agents to be better. So that's basically what I've been doing. Also, I've been incorporating Go High Level into Air, learning how to do that. So as you can see on my dashboard, we opened our doors in January, and basically I've been growing since, which is at a pretty good rate. I got into everything in December, but I didn't really act. I started getting my software around this time, but I didn't really get started, marketing and outreach until January. My first form of marketing and always is local advertising with road signs locally, and I put messages on them saying website creation, AI. What else did I put out there? Do I have one in front of me? I don't have one in front of me, but basically it said something along those lines. Website, I think it said like 198, website creation, AI or something like that. And that's how we got through the month of January. And as you see, we did about two customers doing that. And going into this month, we increased by getting a customer who actually agreed to do a monthly recurring revenue. I think that is a website client. As you see, simple website, got one of those. And then just recently we signed on, I think I want to say five customers doing software. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. And it's pretty cool. But the thing is balancing growing my business and growing their business. That's the hard thing, because I am a small team. It's myself and two developers, and they have lives also. I kind of roped them into my business. I just I knew that's what they already did. One builds websites all the time. The other one he's into IT security and stuff like that. He does like web security and stuff like that. But anyway, the whole point is he does coding on the side also. So I told him, hey, if I need help, will you help me? So I do have people to help me, but essentially everything's on my shoulders, and I'm just trying to balance right now in my third month. Trying to find that balance. So, well, how can I grow my company and also take on new clients? So, just trying to figure that part out. But I'm managing, and that's all that matters. So the goal is to get to the point where we are onboarding two new clients a week. And right now we're onboarding, it looks like two clients a month on average right now. So just trying to increase that number uh, safely, if that makes sense. So that's that. So what happens when I get a new client? This is the steps that I take them through. They create their account on their side, and let's go to this one right here. So this one is our real estate sub account, and basically I just made this account to kind of demonstrate what it's supposed to be. But in general, I have to get them through the launch pad, and this gets them connected with the mobile app, which is very important because once the leads start coming in, the mobile app notifies them, whether it's through email, text message, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, TikTok. However, the lead comes in through the website, through chatting with the agent, um, that's all going to get correlated through this mobile app. And then also, I need to walk through connecting the correct Google business page. That takes about 15 minutes typically, because we all have different businesses on our Gmail, and basically I have to make sure that, hey, make sure you're on the right, Google account before you hit this connect button, because it's going to try to integrate whatever is connected on the desktop. And then Facebook obviously is next. This is kind of difficult because same deal happens. A lot of people who call me, they have multiple businesses, including myself. I have multiple business pages on one Facebook account. So after they hit this connect button, the main thing comes to how do you line that up. So this is what it looks like. You're going to pull up your business page on Facebook. Hold on. I think it's right here. Okay. So you're going to put your business page on Facebook, and then going to go to Meta Business Suite. And the way that looks is, first you'll be signed up on Facebook, and then you go to your page, and then you find this right here where it says Meta Business Suite. Okay. And once you click on Meta Business Suite, it takes you over there. And once you get onto Meta Business Suite, hold on, let me let it load up. You're going to see this icon up here. Hold on, wait for it. Yeah, this icon right here, the Meta icon, and you click your settings. And it's going to bring up all your pages, all of everything that's connected to your one Facebook account. But this is how you can figure out where your page number and everything is. And then hit settings. When you get here, it should turn blue when you hit settings. And then once you hit settings, supposed to be another, where is it? Pages. Okay, boom, here it is right here. And you see your ID right here. You'll be able to know which business to select when you're integrating the Facebook connection. And then next will be, what I will be doing for my client is getting this website chat widget onto the website. So right now, this is my newest client right here, his website. And it needs to be updated. I mean, it looks good, don't get me wrong, but it's not updated. But it's all right though. That's my job now. My job is to update this website. So what I want to do is, it looks great and everything like that. I love all these photos and everything like that, and the content is really good. But we're going to put a chat widget right here. So when a visitor comes, it'll be some type of acknowledgement. I like how this is popping up right here. This reviews. I want to figure out how to do that. So basically, the user, they can interact with the company before leaving off and everything like that. So got to put that in there. The Stripe integration is important because it allows for our software to do more features. We were able to sell more conveniently using our app, as long as this Stripe is integrated. A lot of people don't really use Stripe; they use other things like PayPal. Maybe I believe we have PayPal integration. I'm not really sure, but this is the best integration for payments for our software at the moment, because it allows you to do extra things like tap to pay. You can use your phone. They can just put the credit card to your phone, tap to pay on your phone using our application, which is pretty cool. Depending on if they want us to increase their visibility online, I will connect YEXT. And if they have WordPress, we can connect that also. And right here, I explain how, let's say if you have employees, you have people in the office who need to manage your contacts and leads and everything, this is where you do that. And you typically get about 3 team members to add to your software. Okay. So this process right here takes me about 3 or 4 days to get done. And then one thing he pointed out, because I'm still new, it's my third month, but he was like, "Hey, you need to let people know about the usage." And let me go ahead and go to that. So next will be setting up phone numbers and everything like that. But this actually comes at a cost, and I didn't really realize it because the cost was so meaningless to me. I hate to say it like that, but I didn't even notice they charged me because it was so low. But it is a cost, and just like he pointed out, I need to be as clear as possible with everyone and let them know, hey, along with your monthly fee, there is usage cost that comes along with that. So switching back, we're going to go and look at how much um, I've been using and how much I've been charged for using. Because a lot of people, they ask me this question, well, how much are you getting charged? I think I go to transactions. Okay, boom. So balance is 14 bucks. I have mine set like this. So recharge with 10 every time my balance is lower than 10. But it looks like last month I barely got the 20 bucks or almost 20 bucks. But the previous month, in my first month, when I started setting up everything, look how much I spent in my first month. I didn't really realize it. But after that, my cost is a little less. I mean, still middle of the month. I've hit 16 bucks. Um, but the previous month, as you see, I did 82 phone calls and I was charged about $6 for about 82 phone calls. That's not too bad. $6. We sent off 325 text messages. Um, $3 basically for 300 text. Let's see. Conversational AI spoke a few times, 94 times, and $2 for 94 conversations. Sent off 21 emails. What's that? Not even a, not even 2 cents. One penny for 21 emails. We got 6 reviews last month, and the AI responded to those 6 reviews for me, and it cost me about 50 cents. I sent off 119 SMS notifications to my customers. It cost me about $1 to do that. And as you see, I have 4 phone numbers on my account, so I'm charged about $1 and some change per month to have those phone numbers. I have 23 recordings. It cost me about 3 cents for those. A little bit of conferencing. Here's my SMS carrier fees, almost $1 for that. And then here's very important, A2P registration fee. Okay, so basically, I had to do some A2P registration. That means that allows me to send off SMS. So that is something that has to be calculated when we create these phone numbers. So it's about $20, I want to say, to initially get the phone number going. Because as you see, 20 bucks, whatever. I didn't really think about it, but what I do is I don't charge. I mean, different agencies do things, but I don't charge for this outright. Every account comes with $30 credit, I believe. It's either $20 or $30 credit. And let's say if you use less than the $30, whatever you don't use, it rolls over. So if there was a client, 23 cents would roll over. I know it's not a lot, but 23 cents could pay for your emails. 23 cents could pay for a couple of reviews, you know. But yeah, so that's how I handle it right now. And what else is going to go down? And finally, the AI agent. You get one AI agent. So whether you want your agent to handle your inbound calls and say you're too busy to take your inbound calls, we can set up for that. Or you have the choice, you need your agent to do outbound calls for you and prospect people, or you need your agent to cold call for you. My job is to set up your agent inside of here and make sure it's nice and tested and working and connected to your knowledge base, and is able to book your appointments automatically and send off invoices for you. So that way you can have more time to take care of other tasks. So basically, our job is to create doers that automatically capture your leads using Go High Level and generate leads using Air to call out for you and on your behalf. So this right here generates leads, and we're actually going to do uh, something even more incredible by adding on the ability to create and manage Facebook ads and Google ads. Okay, so that's going to be something I'm going to implement very soon. I just want to test it out for a few weeks on my business. Let's see how many weeks are left. So 2 weeks. So I'm going to test it out for about 2 weeks, and if it works out how I like it, how I think it should work, then on April 1st, on Monday, I'm going to incorporate a new feature that we offer, which is going to include the ability to create and manage your own paid ads on Facebook and Google. So that's pretty much it, folks. I appreciate y'all watching and listening to me kind of explain what happens after someone chooses to work with me as their agent or as their software manager. So I appreciate everybody watching these videos. I'm going to keep creating content relating to helping real estate professionals. That's going to be my next couple of contents for, I believe, for the rest of the week. It's real estate professionals. I might even do the next 2 weeks just focusing on real estate content. And then also next, I will be going into insurance agents next month, trying to help insurance agents create leads and have good nurturing systems. All right, thank you guys so much again, and I will see you in the next one. Please check out my other videos where I show how these agents sound over the phone. They're not perfect, but they sound pretty good for the cost of 11 cents per minute, and they can definitely double your productivity. I know the average human, myself, I average about 50 outbound calls a day. This one agent can do 100 or even up to 1,000 outbound calls a day, depending on what the bandwidth is. I hate to say it like that, but we have to respect the bandwidth of other agents and everything like that. So, all righty, I appreciate it again. I'm getting out of here. I gotta go to bed. See what time it is. 11 o'clock, and I'll see you in the next one.